Hi friends, in today's video we'll talk about 5 questions related to air pollution. So the first question here is, it's regarding carbon monoxide. So they are asking carbon monoxide is an air pollution. When you inhale, it mixes with the bloodstream, it mixes with the hemoglobin in bloodstream. And what will happen? What is the resultant is the question. So we have options like hemoglobulus, carbohemoglobin, carbomonohemoglobin and carboxyhemoglobin. So if you see carbon monoxide, it is one of the most serious air pollutions out there. So this carbon monoxide is actually a colorless gas and it also doesn't have any smell. So it is also called as an odorless gas. Okay, and it is considered to be very poisonous to any living beings. That is because, see, when you inhale carbon monoxide, so once it is inhaled, it mixes with the oxygen in your blood and it reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. Okay, so this oxygen deficiency, it can cause headache or it can even cause cardiovascular diseases, and even it can cause problems related to your eyesight and your nervous system. Okay, and especially if you see more than 3 to 4% of the blood carrying capacity is reduced here, and carbon monoxide plus hemoglobin will create carboxyhemoglobin. So the answer is option 4. Okay, and this is the main reason why, if you see, during pregnancy time women are not asked to smoke, because through smoking the carbon monoxide level in a blood will get increased. Okay, and it may result in problems in pregnancy. Okay, moving on to the second question, what is a full form of PCB? Okay, PCB is an air pollutant. What is the full form? So we have 4 options here. So the correct answer is polychlorinated bimethyl. Polychlorinated bimethyl. Okay, so this is actually a synthetic organic chemical and mostly it is used in industrial activities, okay, and coolants and all. Okay, so this is one full form which is being asked. The next question is related to photochemical smog. Which of the following air pollutant helps in the formation of a photochemical smog? Okay, let's talk about photochemical smog here. Smog is actually a mixture of smoke and fog. When you add smoke plus fog, it will give smog. So if you see here, photochemical smog is actually a smog which is a primary pollutant. Okay, so this include oxides of nitrogen, volatile organic component and even nitrogen. So nitrogen dioxide, oxides of nitrogen and volatile organic component, they together forms the photochemical smog. So the name states that photochemical, which means it is created due to the interaction of sunlight. Photo means anything related to sunlight. So sunlight plus the chemicals which I have mentioned, that is oxides of nitrogen, nitrogen dioxide and volatile organic components. So the actual answer here is the oxides of nitrogen. Okay, it is sunlight plus the chemicals like nitrogen and the volatile organic components, and it is one of the pollutant. Coming to the next question, ozone layer which protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiations is situated in which sphere is the question. So normally if you see ozone layer, we know that it is located in stratosphere. Okay, but actually we have 2 ozone layers. So one ozone layer is located in the stratosphere. So this stratospheric ozone layer is considered to be good ozone, because what it will do, it will actually stop the UV radiation, ultraviolet radiation from the sun to reach the earth. Okay, so this is the ozone layer which is considered to be good ozone. Okay, it acts as a protection shield and it helps in maintaining the temperature of the earth. It reduces the UV radiation in the earth. But if you see, there are certain ozone which is also present near the earth's surface. Okay, near the earth's surface we have the sphere called troposphere. In the troposphere, we have nearly 10% of ozone which is present. And if you see this ozone, so this ozone is considered to be a bad ozone. Okay, it is not naturally created. It is chemically created due to man-made air pollutions. Okay, we can consider this ozone as a type of secondary pollution. Okay, so that is because if you see this ground level ozone, this is actually this is called ground level ozone. Okay, it is tropospheric ozone or ground level ozone, and it is secondary pollution because it is actually a creation of sunlight along with any other stagnant air chemicals. So normally this is created due to the formation of nitrogen oxides and any other volatile organic component, similar to the photochemical smog which we have seen here. Now the ozone layer, which protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiation, is situated in. So here we are talking about the good ozone. So good ozone is situated in stratosphere. Okay, so if they are asking ozone as a pollutant is present in which sphere, it is troposphere. Okay, next question here, which among the following are the sources of volatile organic component? So if you see the volatile organic component, they have given 4 items: vehicle, plants, termites, power plant, etc. See, volatile organic components is a group of components. Okay, it's a group of chemicals which will vaporize at room temperature. Because it has a high vaporized pressure at the room temperature, it can end up being a vapor. So now when you see many articles which are used in daily activities, like it may be a paint, it may be a wax, varnish, and any type of chemicals which we are using every day, everything contains a small percentage of volatile organic component. So here if you see in vehicles we have VOC, like cars, trucks, motorcycles, whatever is emitting, they are one of the sources of emission of volatile organic components. And similarly if you take plants, so plants emit volatile organic components because of the metabolic process. Okay, because of their metabolic process, they emit the volatile organic components. And if you see termites, even termites, they actually, it's a natural process, they also emit the VOC. And power plants is burning the coal and other natural fossil fuels, and therefore they also emit VOCs. And if you see bogs are actually wetlands. Bogs are wetlands. So wetlands, if you see, wetland is an area where waterlogging is there, and it is considered to be one of the areas where decomposition of dead organic matter will take place at a higher range. So when decomposition of organic matter takes place at a higher range, it also gives rise to volatile organic component. So the answer is all the 5: A, B, C, D and E. Okay, that's it for today's video. Do subscribe to Renu Adram Academy. Thank you.